Hey everybody, it's Jennifer and we have large hair. I have blow dried my hair but not straightened it, so it is huge. Don't worry, it won't distract you during the actual video because I have it pulled back into a ponytail with a headband and some bobby pins in it because it is large and in charge right now. But I wanted to do a super smoky, dark halo eye. I feel grungy, I feel fall, I feel Halloween, I feel spooky bitch season. I will talk about it later on in the actual tutorial part of the video a little bit, but this is also an announcement for the beginning of 31 Days of Halloween. I'm so excited. 31 Days of Halloween is a new series I'm gonna be doing on my channel for the entire month of October. All 31 days I will be uploading a different Halloween look, whether it be a costume look, a glam look, a wearable look. No matter what, there's going to be some sort of Halloween-y makeup video every single day in October. Is that not insane? If you're excited, give this video a big thumbs up down below. You can also subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of my Halloween videos. But I wanted to do something dark and slightly vampy, but still glammy. Vampy glammy. My child is screaming her head off. Oh my God. I swear I'm not neglecting her. Her dad is getting her dressed because we're going out to dinner, but I am gonna stop rambling. As always, all of the products I use during the video will be listed down below. My Instagram and a few other videos from my channel will also be linked down there, so you can see if you like my channel, want to subscribe. I am doing a giveaway at 200 subscribers, which if I hit my 200 mark during the month of October, the giveaway will begin in November. I'll have a video on it and all of that, but whew, I've said a lot. I feel like I've been talking all day. Without further ado, let's get into the video. We're gonna ignore my super blotchy, stained skin that is everywhere and all of my acne that's hanging out. I'm going through it, okay? We're gonna ignore it and we're gonna do actual makeup. Well, we always do actual makeup, but we're gonna do makeup that I have to like wear out in public because we're going to dinner. So, super important things. I already have my skin moisturized. I'm gonna apply some of my Urban Decay Optical Illusion primer. Oh, my skin is going through it, but for some important reasons, okay? Since I'm pretty sure I like don't have a calendar around me, but I'm fairly certain that today is the last day of September, which means some really freaking cool things are happening. I'm going to conceal and prime my eyelids while we discuss this. Some important, fun, super cool things are happening here on my channel. Since I'm fairly certain that this is September 30th, if it's not September 30th, then it's like the 29th or something. I don't know. I'm going through it. I'm going through it because, guys, it is, well, tomorrow is the start of spooky bitch season, which is arguably the best season in the entire world of life ever. And that right there is just a little extra hint to what we're doing for spooky bitch season, because that was fake blood. I have completely showered, and like, I mean full shower, like hair wash, shaved, like all of it. Anyway, that was fake blood because for all 31 days of October, are you guys ready? You're not ready. All 31 days of October, I'm gonna be uploading every single day with a fun Halloween look. Some of them are scary, some of them are FX, some of them are more wearable. It's a whole damn thing over here, which I'm rambling a lot because I have been filming 2, 3, 4, 5 looks a day. To prep for this, because of that, I haven't actually talked to you guys in a minute because most of the Halloween videos are sadly voiceovers. That's just so the video is not 6 hours long. So far what I have pre-filmed, they're all about 10 to 15 minutes long, which is reasonable. So I hope you guys are super excited now that I'm done rambling about that. I'm using the Anastasia, Beverly Hills, and Alyssa Edwards palette, and I'm going to start with, slapping myself in the face, I'm going to start with the Supreme, which is just a super pretty peachy shade, and I'm going to blend out this beautiful crease I have. That's cute. I'm going to apply this into my crease and buff upward, guys. Are you guys excited for Halloween? Like, I'm so excited for Halloween. And this year I have a kid who, granted, will only be 10 months old. That's old enough to go do something and not get weird looks. I'm covering my entire eyelid and continuing to blow out my edges. I'm now taking back rolls, which is this matte chocolatey brown in here. And I'm focusing it on my corners, outer and inner, and buffing it through my crease. Open up. Cute. I'm so excited for 31 days of Halloween to start. Like, I can't believe it's finally here. I cannot believe. I started this channel. For those of you that don't know, this is my second channel. I have a first one and it's terrible. And I've deleted, I'm fairly certain, all of the videos off of it. But this is my second channel. And when I very first created it in like January, February, the beginning of this year, I keep a little notebook because I'm a dork with all of my video ideas in it. I want you to know, 31 days of Halloween, been on that bitch since day one. Okay? If I was smarter, I would have started filming them earlier, but that's okay. This got a little too dark for me. I'm gonna go back in with the Supreme and just blend that over top and upward a little bit to lighten it just a tinge. I'm just gonna take a smaller, fluffier brush. I'm gonna go in with Beast, which is the matte black in this palette, and the entire reason we're doing our eyes first. I'm literally just placing him on my lid in the inner and outer corners, trying to keep the center of my lid more blank, but we all know I'm messy. I'm gonna go back in with the Supreme shade, the peachy shade, on the blending brush we've been using, and just fuzz this up a little bit. I just stabbed myself in the eye. Now I'm going to cut my crease using the ColourPop No Filter Matte Concealer in Fair 00. I feel like I say that 26 times in every video, but we're gonna do that and I'll be right back. Now I'm going to take, this is from Meech and Mia in the shade Copper. This is just a loose shimmery pigment, and I'm going to quickly put this over my concealer. I definitely forgot to mention before I cut out to cut my crease that I didn't cut my entire crease. I literally just did the center and left the outer edges dark. Beautiful. Ish. It's gonna end up beautiful, I promise, hopefully. I'm gonna take a little bit of back rolls on a super small brush. It doesn't really matter what you use, just something smaller. First impression. I'm also going, did I say back rolls? I'm using the black. Follow the shape of my crease a little bit. And now, if you are following along at home, please use a makeup wipe. It is way more gentle on your skin. My skin is all red and blotchy because I don't use them when I'm filming. I'm gonna just take my regular hand towel and clean up right here where I had it go and clear up my nose. And I'm going to take the same brush I used to blend out my concealer when I was priming and soften that up just a little. Just a little. Okay. Don't get your panties in a bunch. I'm gonna go do my other eye and throw on my eyebrows and my face. Yes, and then we'll be back to finish the whole look. Open up. Need to reread our conversation. Contemplation over our situation. Open up. Alright, so we're back. We have the majority of our face on. My eyebrows came out a little wilder than I would prefer, but it's okay. So now all I'm going to do is take a black pencil liner. Mine is the NYX, my baby just got home, the NYX Retractable liner in black. I'm gonna smudge this across my top lash line and tightline my eyes with it, and then we're gonna apply healthy coats of the Essence the False Lashes mascara and Maybelline Lash Sensational mascara. I'll be right back again, even though I just got back. So now that we have all of our eyeliner on, I'm just going to smoke out my lower lash line using a mix of the Supreme and Back Rolls and a tiny little bit of Beast all over our edge. And then we are going to take a tiny little brush and Flexitarian from ColourPop. I know I need to find a different highlighter, but this one, it does stuff. Okay, it's serious. It's just so pretty. I can't not use it. Yeah, I'm feeling it. I'm down. For lips today, we're going to be using the NYX Lingerie Push Up Long Lasting Lipstick in Embellishment. This is such a pretty shade. I love it. I just now realized it was in my collection. And I'm going to go over it with Buxom's White Russian. I use this entirely too much. Also, while I'm, you know, off camera, I'm going to apply some bottle mascara, and then we'll be back. Open up, shut it down like a Macintosh. Open up, open. That is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to give the video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel down below. Like I said in the intro and in the middle of the video, all 31 days of October, I will be uploading a Halloween video every single day. If you don't want to miss one, be sure you are subscribed to me, and yes, I will see you all in the next one. Bye guys.